welcome to Fishing with Tim out here in the backyard. This is a channel I set up for fishing related videos. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, leave comments, hit the notification bell. If you like, give me a like, hit the old hand thing, and let your friends and family and your neighbors too know about Fishing with Tim on my YouTube. All right? Hey, below the video here, you'll see a link. It'll say more. Click on more, which opens up my description of the video, my disclaimer, my merch shop that's new, my Amazon store. All that stuff's in there. So the merch store, click on that link. It'll open up Spread Shop, which makes my t-shirts. Okay, so the t-shirt will have my logo, my design on it. This particular one will be Fishing with Tim. It shows me in a boat fishing and all that. If you're wanting to support the channel or just want a t-shirt or whatever, go ahead and support the channel and buy a t-shirt. And also it has hoodies, ball caps, water bottles, a chef apron. It has, you can pick out your color, your size, all that stuff. You can even customize the shirt. So anyway, check it out. Let's get going on some of these fishing videos, okay? Out here on Lake Bosworth today. Got a late start. It's almost 7:30, so we're gonna start fishing here shortly. Got to get the stuff on the line. I got my buddy with me today. He's gonna bait my hook. Okay, he says, I want to catch fish, Daddy. All right. So buddy's gonna be helping me out. I had to take my shirt off. It's actually kind of warm out here. Get my life jacket back on. So we'll get things set up. Okay, we're at 16 feet, 72 degrees, so the lake's pretty warm. Battery's full charge, 12.5 volts. Gonna let the line out, see if we can get a fish. All right, buddy, let's catch a fish. I got a wedding ring on and one flasher. And I don't have the downrigger hooked up yet. It's pretty calm out here. It's only 18 feet deep, so I'm not gonna go out very far here yet. Head down the middle of the lake. I've caught a really nice trout out of here before. Right out here on this end of the lake, in the middle. We're gonna try it. I got this as on the slowest speed I can go right now. See, I'm almost at 20 feet. So I think I'll let it out some more. Hey, I got a fish. Letting the line out, I got a fish. Not sure if I still have him though. Oh, maybe I do. Let him wear down here a little bit before I pull him in the boat. He's a keeper. All right, buddy. Let's bring him in. Yeah. It's about an 8 or 9 incher. Okay. Let's let the line out, see if we can catch another one. We're at 21 feet now. Let's see if I could get a sip of coffee in before I get another fish. Got another one. He's a jumper. Still on. Hey! Oh, this one's even bigger, it looks like. That one was just in the mouth, so. Hey! Yeah, they're about the same size, actually. I got a wedding ring on, one flasher, 26 inches of leader, and night crawler on 2 hooks.
Yeah, that's about what we're using.
I've caught 2 just from the ramp.
Yeah, that's what we did first thing this morning.
They're out here. Yeah, they're about, I don't know, 8 inches, maybe 9.
We've seen a lot of big fish in here.
Oh yeah, I caught one not far from here, about a 26 incher one day.
How big?
26 inch.
26 inch?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Biggest I've ever caught out of here is 18.
Oh yeah. Yeah, my mom caught a 30-inch trout out of here before.
Yeah, I know there's some big fish in here.
But that was in the 60s.
Yeah.
We used to have a cabin down there when I was a kid.
Oh yeah.
Down on the south end. Fun.
Yep, have a good one.
So, I thought I'd swing by the old cabin, which is not the old cabin anymore. They built that gray house there on the land and built a new dock. It's doesn't look anything like it was when I was a kid living here. My parents bought it in 1952 and sold it in 1970 when I graduated. They asked me if I wanted to take it over, and I said no. I was only 18 years old. I didn't want to buy anything like that at that age. Let me turn the boat around here shortly. I'm straining my neck to get this on video here. I wanted to show somebody that I used to know a long time ago, and I wanted to show her the cabin that's next to the one that we used to have. So let me turn the boat around here, and we'll just let it coast since the waves are. So there's the neighbor's cabin. Okay, A-frame. That's different too. I don't think that's the same as what they originally had. The dock is definitely different. The dock that they used to have there was a log, a great big giant log, and they put some boards on top of the log, and the log was actually waterlogged. It was sunk, but it still stuck up. The log was so big that it stuck up out of the water. So yeah, there's the old cabin. Our cabin used to be further back, you know. So when they tore down the cabin, they built the new place closer to the lake. And a lot of people do that. Actually, the cabin that's next to it, that friend of mine, that's about where the old cabin was, as far as back a ways. Yeah, I'd come up here. you know, in the summertime, Mom and I stayed here, and Dad commuted back and forth to work up in Bellingham. But then in the winter, of course, I had to go to school, so we couldn't stay up here. So then we just came up here on the weekends still, even in the winter. And it was you know, even though it was cold, rainy, I couldn't go swimming, but I still, you know, did a lot of stuff. You know, I couldn't go fishing. It wasn't fishing season, but it was still fun for a kid. It was great. I had a lot of fun. That old dock there, I don't think that's the same dock either. For the neighbor, the brown house that's next to it. That's the, I think that's the same house, that brown house. That used to be next to ours. Yeah, I think it's the same. All right. Well, anyway, I wanted to share that. From 1952 to 1970. A lot of memories there, that's for sure. I know this Lake Bosworth inside and out. Well, I got the fish finder on. It's 28 feet. Look at the fish. I got the fish ID on. A lot of fish here. Well, they kind of disappeared there. They'll come back. Well, I had a bite. I got back down on the north end of the lake and turned around, and I'm at 22 feet deep right now. Showing a lot of fish on the fish finder. And I just had a bite, so I decided to turn the camera on. See if I can get one in the boat. How's it going, buddy? Buddy says, "Where's the fish at? Where's the fish?" He likes the fish. He tries to lick them. He thinks the fish are cool. Ooh, there was a bite. Oh, buddy. Let's see if I can get him. I need more than a bite. I need you to stay on. It's, let's see, what time is it? 9:04. So we got 1 hour left here, buddy. We need 3 more fish. We got 2 right out the gate, and then we didn't get any after that. But we were heading down the lake because I wanted to get down there to show you the old homestead. Where I spent a lot of years growing up. Up at Granite Falls, up the old hardware store, buying BBs for my BB gun. Dad bought a set of knives for throwing at the tree. So we had a birch tree, you know, by the cabin there. So I took those knives and I started practicing throwing the knives that stick them in the tree. Come on, get on there. All right. I think I got him this time, Betty. I got him this time. That helped, talking about throwing knives in the tree. He's still on. Well, he was on. Oh well. About the same size as what we already had. So I'll bait this up and throw it back in. We'll try again. All right. Well, let's see if I can get this one in the boat. It's still on. It's a fighter. Got him. Good thing I got him in the boat because he just came off the hook. Nice. I wasn't sure if I had him, but I do. And he's fighting. This would be number 4 if I can get it in the boat. I'm going to smoke some fish. That's why I'm keeping them. Normally I don't keep them. But this time, I'm going to get some smoking going on. I'm going to try a different recipe too. Oh, darn. Well, if I had a net, I would have had that guy. But that's all right. I'm getting a bite already. Okay, I got him. See if I can get him in the boat. Got it. Woo. Broke my line. So much for that one. Well, this is number 4. I quit using the downrigger. I let it out about 100 feet and troll on number 1.
Okay.
And it's higher up. And just in this area, I tried down there, nothing. It's all in this area.
Okay.
But in the middle. Yeah, they're all about 8 or 9 inches, rainbow trouts. I got 4 now, so, and he just broke my wedding ring. When it got in the boat, it all came apart. So I guess that's telling me I'm done. 4 is good enough for today. I normally just let them go, but I'm going to smoke them up this time. If I can get him. Jeez. Slipperier than a fish. Oh, you are a fish. Buddy, what do you think of this, huh? God, if I can hang on to him. I got my glove and everything on. What do you think of that, buddy? Buddy. 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 Come up here and see the fish. Come on. Oh, he likes licking the fish. Don't eat it. I'm going to eat it. I might give you a bite. Get up there and say hi. Stole your bait, huh? Yeah, they're good at that. Let's try to get one more, buddy. Then we'll call it a day. Yep. Huh?
I said we gotta take the limit, they're biting.
Yeah, I know. My mistake was trying it down at the other end of the lake. That was a waste of time. Oh, my parents had a cabin on the lake down at the southwest end from the time I was born in '52 to when I graduated in 1970, and they sold it. They wanted to do the snowbird thing. They asked me if I wanted it, and I didn't. I was only 18 years old. I bought a Corvette instead. Well, let's see if I can get the number 5 here. Nope, he got off. Probably took all my bait. Yes, he did. Worm stealing sucker. Well, this is it. If I get this one in the boat, that's number 5. But I'm done either way. He's still on. 18 feet deep right here. It's a turnaround spot. You don't want to go any shallower than this. Now let's see what kind of fish this is. They're all trout, but I mean, what size? Looks like it got off. Alrighty. We're done. Well, it was, but it got off. I don't know if I told you, but my green wedding ring fell apart on that last fish. So I put a pink one on, but it only has 1 hook. I had better luck with 2 hooks.
Yeah.
So I'm done. Huh?
I only have 12 power baits left, then I gotta resort to lures.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I think I got a couple little flashy ones. I'll just dive it down and then fish that comes bottom fish.
I've never really had luck with lures. Well, buddy, let's go home and have some lunch.